In this video, in integration, the first one, reduction formula for integral sine power nx into dx for n greater than or equals to 2. So first to find the reduction formula, first we take that this problem is equals to in, that is in is equals to, so first we take that given problem is equals to in, that is in is equals to integral sine power nx into dx, and this is taken as integral sine power n minus 1x into sin x into dx. So here sine power n is taken as n minus 1 plus 1, that is sine power n minus 1x into sin x into dx. Here n minus 1 plus 1 becomes only n. Now to find the integration to this term, we apply the fg formula and we take this value is equals to f and this value is equals to g. And what is the formula for integral fg? Integral fg into dx is equals to f into integral g dx minus integral f dash into integral g dx into dx. Now we apply this formula to find the integration to this term. Therefore in is equals to f into integral g. What is f value? Sine power n minus. So sine power n minus 1x into integral g, integral sin x into dx minus integral f dash, that is sine power n minus 1x whole dash into integral g dx, integral sin x into dx, and this is equals to sine power n minus 1 into x into integral sin x. Sin x integration is equals to minus cos x minus integral sine power n minus 1x derivative. This is in the form of x power n. So the derivative is n into x power n minus 1. That is n minus 1 minus 1 means n minus 2. Again the derivative of sin x. What is sin x derivative? Cos x. This is in the form of x into x power n minus 1 into sin x derivative cos x into integral sin x minus cos x into dx, and this is equals to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x. Now here n minus 1 is the constant, so taking the constant before the integration, that is minus of n integral sin power n minus 2 into x. Here we have minus, so this minus of plus here. Now cos x into cos x is equals to cos square x into d, and this is equals to minus sin power n minus 1 into x into cos x plus n minus 1 into integral sin power n minus 2 into x into cos square x. So here cos square x is nothing but 1 minus sin square x. So here we have to convert the cos square x function in terms of sin square. That is writing this value as 1 minus sin square x. And this is equals to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into integral sin power n minus 2x into 1, that is sin power n minus minus sin power n minus 2 into sin square, that is sin power nx into dx, sin power n minus 2 into 1 sin power n minus 2, sin power n minus 2 into sin square x. So here minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, so this value is to sin power nx, and this is equals to minus sin power n minus 1x into cos x plus n minus 1 into, now separating the integration to these two terms, that is integral sin power n minus 2 into x into dx minus integral sin power nx into dx. Now what is this value here? This value is equals to in. Already at the starting we take that this value is equals to in. So in is equals to minus sine power n minus 1x into n minus 1 into integral sine power n minus 2 into x dx, that is nothing but in minus 2 minus integral sine power nx into dx. This is nothing but the given problem, and we take that value is equals to in. So this value is equals to in and this value is equals to in minus 2. Now we want the value of in, that is in is equals to minus sine power n minus 1 x into cos x. Now we multiply these two values with n minus 1. That is n minus 1 into in minus 2 minus n minus 1 into in. So to find this value, we write this value at this side. That is in plus n minus 1 into in is equals to minus sine power n minus 1 into x into cos x plus into in minus 2. And here we take in common from these two terms, that is in into 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to minus sine power n minus 1 into x into cos x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. Now here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So this is n into n is equals to minus sine power n minus 1 into x into cos x plus n in minus 2. Therefore the value of in is equals to minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. Now this is the form integration of sine power nx. Here the condition is n greater than or equals to 2. See here n is an integer that is greater than or equals to 2. Now to find the values of I0 and I1, I0 and in directly from the integration, that is already here we take that in is equals to integral sine power nx into dx. Now to find the I0 and I1 values, we substitute n is equals to 0, 1 in this expression. That not is equals to I0 means taking n is equal to 0 here. So this is sine power 0x into dx is equals to integral 1 dx, and this value is equals to x plus c. So this is the value of I0, and finding the value of I1, that is we substitute n is equals to 1 in this expression, that is I1 is equals to integral sine power 1x into dx, and what is integral sine x minus cos x plus c. So here the values of I0 and I1 are I0 is equals to x and I1 is equal to minus cos x plus c, and this is the formula which is used to find the integrations like sine power 6x, sine power 8x and so on. So for different power values of n, to find the integrations of those type of problems, we use this formula. So for example, one problem. So here we solve one problem. Here the problem is integral sine power 4x into dx. Now we want to find the integration to this one. So clearly this is in the form of integral sine power nx into dx, where n is equals to 4. Now to find the integration to this problem, we apply this formula. So first I write the formula here. What is the formula? In is equals to minus sine power n minus 1x into cos x by n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. Now what is the given value? Here we have that n is equals to 4. So we substitute n is equals to 4 in this formula to get the required answer. Now taking n is equals to 4 here, then I4 is equals to minus sine power 4 minus 1 into x into cos x by 4 plus n minus 1 by n, that is 4 minus 1 by 4 into I 4 minus 2. So this is equals to minus, so this is equals to minus sine cube x into cos x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into I2. Now to find the value of I2, again we use the same formula, means we substitute n is equals to 2 in this formula. So this is equals to minus sine cube x into cos x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into, again replacing the value n is equals to 2 in the formula, that is minus sine power 2 minus 1 into x into cos x by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 into I 2 minus 2. Simply we take that n is equals to 2 in the formula. So this is equals to minus sine cube x into cos x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into minus sine x into cos x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into I naught plus c. And what is I naught value? Already we found that value is equals to x here. So this is equals to minus sine cube x into cos x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into minus sine x into cos x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into I naught. I naught value is equals to x plus c. Therefore, this is the value of the I4. This is the, in this manner we find the integrations of the problems of integral sine power nx dx. And the next one, reduction formula for integral cos power nx, which is exactly same model of the integral sine power nx dx problem. So this is equals to integral cos power nx into dx. So we will solve this problem exactly in the same manner of the last problem. So first we take that this value is equals to in. So first we take that let in is equals to integral cos power nx into dx. So first I take that this problem is equals to in, and this is equals to integral cos power n minus 1x into cos x into dx. So here n minus 1 plus 1 becomes n. So we write this cos power nx as integral cos power n minus 1x into cos x into dx. And to find the integration to this step, we apply the formula integral fg dx. So here we apply the formula integral fg dx. And what is the formula for integral fg dx? Integral fg dx is equals to f into integral g dx minus integral f dash into integral g dx into dx. Now applying the formula here, therefore in is equals to f into integral gx, that is cos power n minus 1x into integral cos x into dx minus integral f dash, that is cos power n minus 1x whole dash into integral g dx, that is integral cos x into dx, and this is equals to cos power n minus 1x into integral cos x. What is integral cos x? Sin x minus integral cos power n minus 1x integration cos power n minus 1x derivative, that clearly this is in the form of x power n. So n into x power n minus 1, that is n minus 1 into cos x power n minus 2, and again cos x derivative minus sin x, and integral cos x is equals to sin x into dx. Now this is equals to cos power n minus 1x into sin x So here minus of minus becomes plus, and here n minus 1 is the constant. So writing the constant before the integration. So plus n minus 1 into integral cos power n minus 2 into x into sin x into sin x. So here sin x into sin x is equals to sin square x, and this is equals to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into integral cos power n minus 2x into cos square sin square x. So in place of sin square x we write the value 1 minus cos square x into dx. And this is equals to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into integral. Just we take the product here, cos power n minus 2 into 1, that is cos power n minus 2x minus cos power n minus 2 into cos square, means this is cos power nx into dx, and this is equals to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into, so separating the integration here, integral cos power n minus 2 into x into dx minus integral cos power nx into dx. So this is the value of in. Therefore in is equals to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into, so this is nothing but integral cos power nx dx, means this in, and integral cos power n minus 2 into x into dx is equals to in minus 2. So in minus 2 minus in. So this is equals to in is equals to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus multiplying these two values by n minus 1. So that is n minus 1 into in minus 2 minus n minus 1 into in. Now we want the value of in, so we write this value at this side, that is in plus n minus 1 into in is equals to cos power n minus 1 into x into sin x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2, and this is equals to, so here we take in common, that is in into 1 plus n minus 1 is equals to cos power n minus 1 into x into sin x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. So here plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, and this is equals to in into n is equals to cos power n minus 1x into sin x plus n minus 1 into in minus 2. Therefore the value of in is equals to now, so in is equals to, writing this n to this side, that is cos power n minus 1 x into sin x by n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. So this is the formula for, this is the formula of the integral cos power nx dx, reduction formula for integral cos power nx. Now here also we find the, and this is applicable for the values n greater than or equals to 2. So to find the values of I0 and I1, we take the integration in value. What is in? In is equals to integral cos power nx into dx. Now first we take n is equal to 0 here, that is I0 is equals to integral cos power 0 x into dx, that is integral 1 dx, and 1 integration is equals to x. So this is x plus c. Now to find the value of I1, we substitute n is equals to 1 here, that is integral cos power 1x, and integral cos x is equals to sin x plus c. Now finding the value of integral cos power 4x. So by applying this formula we can find the integrations of cos power 6x, cos power 10x and so on. So here first I found, here I want to find the value of integral cos power 4x dx. So to find this value, first we take the formula. So here the given question is integral cos power 4x into dx. Now to find the integration, first we take the formula. So what is the formula for integral cos power nx? That is in is equals to cos power n minus 1x into sin x by n plus n minus 1 by n into in minus 2. Now here the given problem is cos power 4x dx. That is, here we have that n is equals to 4. Means we substitute n is equal to 4 in this formula. That is, I4 is equals to cos power 4 minus 1 into x into sin x by 4 plus 4 minus 1 by 4 into I4 minus 2. And this is equals to cos cube x into sin x by 4 plus 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 into I2. Now to get the value of I2, again we substitute n is equal to 2 in this formula. That is, I4 is equals to cos cube x into sin x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into I2, means substituting n is equals to 2 here. That is, cos 2 minus 1 into x into sin x by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 2 into I2 minus 2 plus c. And this is equals to, therefore I4 is equals to cos cube x into sin x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into cos power 2 minus 1, that is cos x into sin x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into I0 plus c. So in the last step we substitute that I0 value. What is I0? I0 is equals to x. Therefore I4 is equals to cos cube x into sin x by 4 plus 3 by 4 into cos x into sin x by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x plus c. That's all. This is the answer. So these are the very important formulas for IP examinations.